Want to look beautiful and young again? Watch this. Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss the secret to looking young and beautiful again. We all have days when we don't feel our best, and when we look in the mirror, we wish we could turn back time. But the good news is, you can. With a few simple changes to your lifestyle and skincare routine, you can look and feel your best in no time. So, let's get started. Lifestyle changes. Hydration. The first and most important step in looking young and beautiful again is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin looking plump and glowing. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is also crucial for maintaining youthful looking skin. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night, and avoid screens before bedtime to reduce the amount of blue light exposure that can disrupt your sleep. Exercise. Regular exercise is also key to maintaining a youthful appearance. Exercise helps to boost circulation and increase blood flow to the skin, which can help to keep it looking healthy and radiant. Skincare routine. Cleansing. The first step in a skincare routine is to cleanse your skin. This helps to remove dirt, oil, and makeup that can clog your pores and cause breakouts. Exfoliating. Exfoliating your skin is also important for maintaining a youthful appearance. By removing dead skin cells, exfoliating can help to brighten your skin and give it a more even tone. Moisturizing. After cleansing and exfoliating, it's important to moisturize your skin to help keep it hydrated and looking youthful. Sun protection. Last but not least, don't forget to protect your skin from the sun. UV rays can cause damage to your skin, leading to premature aging. So, make sure to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. That's it for today's video. By making a few simple changes to your lifestyle and skincare routine, you can look and feel young and beautiful again. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your skin, so don't wait any longer, start today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, take care.